Yung bata makipapaw. Makipapa talaga, tingnan mo. Makipapa. Ito na, ubo na. Paggabi guys, halos hindi yan siya makahinga sa ubo. Naku, hindi talaga nakikinig to si Afam. Alam nyo guys, wala talaga kami problema dito sa aking Afam boys. Napakaswerte ko kasi napaka-supportive, mapagmahal. Hindi lang ako at saka mga anak kong minahal niya guys. Mga alalahanin. Pamilya ko sa Pinas guys, halos kung saan nga yung mahirap lang. Yun yung kabutihang tao. Yung may mga pera na mga Afam, no? Walang pakialam sa pamilya. Ito talaga Pinoy ang ugali. Pero ito lang problema namin. Ang pananigarilyo niya. Hindi niya talaga maiwan-iwanan. Sobrang nagkakasakit siya pag iniwan. Ilang bisis na yan siya nag-attempt iniwan yung kanyang sigarilyo. Nagkakasakit siya guys. So now. What's wrong? Come here. Come to mama. Come. Stop this one na. 4 hours na. Wait lang. Check. Hindi naman to masakit guys. Ano to? Ito, mabilis lang to tanggalin. The sticker of Mickey Mouse. Is that Mickey Mouse? Oh, put back your eyeglasses. Na. Tawid ko sleep na. Alas 8 na ng gabi guys. Pero tignan mo naman. Maliwanag pa sa labas. Alas 9, alas 10 po yung dito pag summer guys. Ang araw takip silim. Tulog na kami alas 8 na. Tulog tayo lang ka? Hindi kasi ito nakatulog eh. Kasi nagising siya kanina alas mag-11. Gising niya. Grabing tulog niya. Wala kasing pasok. Walang guys, yung therapy center. Bukas pa. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, close.
I'm gonna check my WhatsApp. It's playing music on it.
Look, Papa na. Look, Papa there na. Come on. Look. Put your Papa in your pocket.
Papa Joe.
Go get your Papa. Put in your pocket. You said I want to stop now cigarettes. Look. Only 6 hours. You said.
I said weekend.
Weekend? Why only weekend? You need to stop.
Of course I
You need to start now to stop. You know, Merel is, the problem of Merel is lungs. Very weak, very dangerous. That's not a problem, are you sure?
It's my own problem, Uncle.
That's your own problem. That's also Merel's problem. It's my problem also.
I'm not smoking in the house here.
No, even not our house. The smoke comes to your clothes. And you kiss for Merel.
After the so.
You not look.
Mini,
Look,
man.
go wash your hands now.
If he's one time outside
Oh my
somebody
God.
grilling.
Not for the grilling. This is for the cigarettes.
Let me talk.